Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if you see no picture on your TELEFUNKEN J501 screen. First, unplug all external inputs connected to your TV, such as TV cable, antenna cable, satellite cable, gaming console, or USB. Press the Sources button on your remote to check different sources. If that doesn't work, try pressing the Home button to access the dashboard. If you see something after unplugging external devices, your antenna or input may be damaged or improperly connected. Try reconnecting the device to the correct source from the source list. If that doesn't help, perform a cold reset by unplugging the TV from the power outlet. Wait until the LED indicator goes off. Wait about a minute, plug it back in and turn it on. If you still have no picture with external input, check if your cables or external devices are damaged. If you still see no picture, contact TELEFUNKEN customer support about the issue. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.